Hey everyone, it's Alexa here. Today we are going to do Mew Berry from the Tokyo Mew Mew series. This is the spin-off from the A La Mode volumes. These were actually the two volumes that came out were the ones I got first, and then I read the Tokyo Mew Mew series, but I love this ever since I was a kid, so let us get started. I'm priming my face, and then I'm priming my eyes, and I'm putting down a powder all over my lid space just so whatever we use is going to set in a little bit better. We're going to line our lower water lash line with a white. It's going to make our eyes appear bigger and more anime/doll-like. I'm filling in my eyebrows because she's got blonde hair. Of course, you know, if you got blonde hair, you really don't have to do this, but I'm just filling in my eyebrows with some concealer. And you can fill them in with powder if you want to, but I just chose not to. I'm taking my liquid liner and just drawing a little bit of a wing. I did add a little bit of a brown in my crease. Under my eye, I'm just going to add a really light brown just so my lower lash line is going to stand out even more with that white. I'm putting on some mascara, and I'm going to use false lashes for this look. Of course, that's optional, and I like to do my eyes first if I can. Usually, you guys know that because I like to clean up because I'm pretty messy. I'm just going to conceal all over my face after I'm done cleaning up around my eyes. I was trying out a new concealer. As you can see, I went kind of heavy-handed on everything. That's okay. Makeup's all about having fun, right? You don't have to go as heavy-handed as I did. I usually just hit my nose, right under my eyes, my cheeks, my chin definitely, and around my nose. Putting on some lashes before we do any foundation, just so it won't disturb the lashes or the foundation. One of my lashes did fall off. I didn't have enough glue on it when you see me applying something else, so don't be freaked out if you see that I'm missing an eyelash. I'm just blending in this foundation in my skin, just really working with the concealer I have. We're gonna powder over this in a minute. And now I'm just contouring my temples and just around my cheekbones, around my hairline, but I'm going to put a wig, so I don't know if that matters too much to you guys, but it matters to me. And there we go, I lost my eyelash. I'm just applying a really bronzy peachy color to my cheeks. I'm putting on a nice light highlight to my nose, on my forehead, my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, and the middle of my chin. I'm applying a nice pink lip gloss through my wig, and she does have bunny ears. She's like a bunny cat hybrid. And there you go. The contacts aren't exactly because I think she has pink or red eyes, but so I threw my purple ones with the purple and pink ones on. So I hope you guys enjoy. I have a lot of fun making this series. I might do Ringo, but she's really only from the video game, so I'm not sure if I'll do her or not. But I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Love you. Bye.